And it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Boy, I got a lot to talk about tonight. I am so excited. My lighting is good too tonight for some reason. It's beautiful outside, by the way. Oh my goodness. So, $1.95 Bath & Body Works hand cream. This is the time to stock up. If you need hand cream, I actually don't need hand cream. So I used to be one of those Bath & Body Works hand cream fanatics. I would always buy hand cream because it used to be a lot less expensive. Like, check it out, $4. Now it is $8.50. It's gone up a lot. I know they do like the buy three, get one, or, you know, it's still not a good deal. The only time hand cream it's a really good deal is when it's $1.95, which is today. And I'm trying to convince myself, like I said, not, wait a minute, Vampire Blood. I was like, I gotta not do an order. What the Vampire Blood? Okay, I might do an order tonight. I might do an order. I really want that Vampire Blood. So I always do that. So I have a lot of hand creams. Check it out. Dahlia. This is such a good one. Oh my gosh. And these don't really go bad, I'll have to say. Oh, that smells good. I usually carry these in my purse throughout the year. I just have so many of them. Dahlia smells amazing. I've got a coconut milk here. I've got some Christmas ones. Check it out. I've got a Mary cookie. Let me see if this one's still good. Like I said, these usually last for years. Oh, that smells good. Mary cookie. I've got a snow-kissed citrus. Twisted peppermint. That's always a good one. I like to have a couple of the Christmas ones around. Let me see here. I'm going to go over the ones that are available now too. Oh, that smells so good. I miss twisted peppermint. Hot cocoa and cream. Look at me. I've like tried all these. This is fun. My hands are going to be very moisturized. Hot cocoa and cream with mint. I just did it. I have a strawberry pound cake. I have a winter candy apple. I probably have about 30 more of these in a bin in the other room. I just pulled a couple out. Oh my gosh, when you haven't smelled winter candy apple in a while, and you're kind of going, I miss winter candy apple. Oh my gosh, you guys. $4. I missed the $4 day. So anyway, you have to use the code ALL4FALL online, or you can go in the store and you can use the barcode. Better to go in the store because you can get free shipping. I mean, you can get like 3.5, for the price of shipping. So you're better off going in the store. The good ones now, Chasing Fireflies, Coffee and Whiskey. That's a good one. Mimosa Spearmint is new. I'd actually like to try that. Vetiver Vanilla, which I have in the big body care, In the Stars, Champagne Apple. It's funny, they're calling it Champagne Apple. It's Champagne Apple and Honey. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. That is a good one. Vanilla Buttercream. Vampire Blood. Like, if you're doing like gifty Halloween stuff and you're going to pick up like 10 of those for like what, $19? That's not a bad deal if you're doing stuff for Halloween. Endless Sea, Wild Sand, Eucalyptus Spearmint, Japanese Cherry Blossom, Black Cherry Merlot, the Dry Hand Relief Cream, Champagne Toast. Lots of good ones. Just Paraffin, Strawberry Pound Cake. So into the older ones. The only really fall ones they have are the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles and Champagne Apple and Honey. They don't have a lot of the fall ones out, but Vampire Blood's a good one. So is this a good deal? Yes, it's a great deal. Oh my gosh, this is the only time you really want to buy hand cream. Or if you have like a coupon, we can get a free one. You know how like Bath & Body Works to do the coupons. I have not gotten a Halloween coupon yet, by the way. I'm like, where are my Halloween coupons? I haven't gotten them. So it's funny. A lot of people are like, oh, I get coupons because I review. I don't get coupons as often as you think. A lot of times my girlfriends will give me their coupons, but I was hoping to get one. So honestly, I think my top three, if I had to pick my top three, would be Vampire Blood, Mimosa Spearmint, and Chasing Fireflies, because it's totally cute. So anyway, definitely shop the sale. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.